Assalamualaikum to everyone and especially to Sir Ismail. I, Fatin Sharana, will be your first presenter for the introduction part. Before I start, me and my teammates were given a task to suggest an innovative educational solution to enhance and attract users' interest in learning the subject of technical support and maintenance for information agencies. There were several of proposed solutions that were provided, and our group has chosen educational board games. We created our games based on the Word Wall website that makes many creative ways of the game concept. My team created 3 different types of games for users to play at the same time learning the subject. The reason why we chose educational board games is that we hope that the games can motivate students, and hopefully this can help those students who are in need for help. As we all know, not many people can understand this subject properly due to the subtopic. That is why we chose this method to make sure students learn in subject in a fun way at the same time being creative. The question in the games will not be as hard as we think, as we decided to add basic questions about personal computer maintenance. We mix a couple of topics in one game so that the students can remember all, not only on one certain topic. We hope that by doing this game, students can understand the basic concept of computer maintenance, and also by playing our games, we hope students can improve their critical thinking and creative solution. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Naomi Izani binti Kamidi, and I'm the second presenter for this statement of the problem. PC maintenance and performance go hand in hand. When you correctly maintain your computer, you usually see a corresponding boost in performance. Happily, basic computer maintenance tasks are simple enough for anyone to accomplish. This course teaches the elemental skills related to PC maintenance. However, there is some problem that students face, such as lack of interest. Female students find it difficult to understand the subject. Students did not know the basic concepts of personal computer maintenance, and some lecturers did not know how to teach their students in a fun way. It can be less interesting for those students who can understand it well. In addition, female students find it difficult to understand the subject compared to male students because it has its own difficult parts, such as PC components. Female students not really exposed to this subject, meanwhile male students will find it not really hard for them because they had been exposed with this kind of thing. As a female student myself, I admit that this subject is hard for me to understand it, and I need to revise it after the class. Other than that, students did not know the basic concepts of personal computer maintenance, which makes them think it hard to learn. Last but not least, some lecturers didn't know how to impress and convince their students that the subject is interesting. That is all from me. Thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nazatun Shikimati Mama Ikram, and I'm going to be the third presenter. I'm going to explain the solution of the problem. By using this method, everyone can learn about PC maintenance easily without having difficulties. Usually, students will think that the subject is hard to understand, especially for girls, but we think if we come up with this kind of method of studying, it will be easy for those people. The first game is Maze Chaser. Student needs to run to the right column and need to stay focused to avoid those animals that can kill you. This game needs students to stay alive because they only have few lives only. It starts simply, but every level is more challenging than the last. Students need to pay all the attention for this game while playing. With this game, students be able to recall what they already learned in the class and can make a quick decision. as the second game is airplane, students who are wish to play this game need to give out all of their attention into this game because they have to be a fast responder. Students were given question, also 2 or 3 choices of answer. Students need to fly the airplane to one of the cloud which contain the right answer, which is really fun and exciting. So the third game is crossword. Students need to read the clue that have been given and try to recap what they have learned in order to answer the question. This game is fun to play with and educational. It also can improve working memory, advancing logical and strategic thinking, expanding vocabulary, and providing a creative outlet for problem solving.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Dini bin Ahmad Kuzairi. My matrix number is 2020936219 and I will be the fourth presenter. And in this part, I will discuss about the uniqueness of solution of our product. The uniqueness of our solution of the product. First one is we have the fun and interesting game that has many elements in order to make it fun to play, such as exciting interface of games, the various of color, and of course the game itself. Hence, students can increase their understanding and memorization skills through these online games. And then secondly, these games can attract students' attention and interest during the learning process. As students can easily get bored in the class, the teacher can use this platform in order to cheering the students while teaching and learning in progress. Also, students will never get bored because this game probably need a technology to access it, such as a mobile phone or laptop. And the third one is easy to play. It is because there is no complication to solve the question and students able to understand the rules of the games once they get into the game they want to play. And next one, we have different type of game for students to play. We have provided 3 types of game regarding to PC components such as airplane, maze chase and flashcard. So students can choose which games really suit their interests besides able to gain their knowledge on particular subject. And the last one is developing a strong teamwork among students. This game can be played by a group during their free time or during the teaching and learning process. Therefore, when students work hand in hand to solve the problems in the game, it will strengthen their teamwork and also can polish their leadership skills.
Why do we say that this board game has market potential? Because it is able to give students a comprehensive learning process, and also by using this word wall, students can learn and acquire knowledge about the subject at any time and from any place, because we're using learning strategy a simple and very easy exercise to implement. This also benefit students and teachers. The second thing is that technology and the internet will definitely create a new environment in the teaching and learning process. It will offer many benefit and opportunities for students to understand all board games. Other than that, student and teacher no longer have to rely solely on the physical classroom for teaching learning because these word walls also work together in their activities. Besides, this word wall is totally free and no chat to be needed in this whole thing because it's convenient and suitable for instructor. It's a great way to save money when it comes to the teaching and learning. The instructor only provide the student with the connection to access the game that we provide. And lastly, our target audience is Malaysia, which particular emphasis on secondary student and university student. This subject is really accessible for secondary school, and the school offer computer and technology classes. As a result, secondary student will use this forum for review. For example, science computer student use this board game when they need to quickly remember all of the term following that university student use this forum as a revision tool. Same goes with secondary student.
To conclude, when we are having trouble in understanding a particular subject, we must devise a better approach in order to learn the subject more effectively. The method that we have chosen is game-based learning. This game-based learning plays an important role in teaching and learning process because it encourages students to collaborate, connect, engage, and work together in groups. Also, strategic games helps the brain function better. Last but not least, we hope that by playing this kind of games, students will be more interested in the topic of the technical support service and maintenance because they already know the primary knowledge.
You guys can get this kind of activities at the link that we will provide in the description box below, or you guys can scan the QR code that we will provide after this video. Feel free to use it for fun yet understanding study session with your friends. Bye bye.